Scientists got a method, So question, research, hypothesize, Design experiment, test hypothesis, conclusions, and reports. To draw conclusions, to report. The hypothesis was wrong, it was just a guess, Dreaming and living life like scientists do, Control group was to keep track of differences within the two. When following instructions was the key to life safety. Theories aren't always true, cause they aren't fully proved. The sun is the ultimate source of energy, The chloroplast is the plant's photosynthesis site, Photosynthesis is split into two parts you find at the end of light-dependent reactions, see ATP and ADPH. Looking like the carbon cycle ends with glucose and carbs, Producers make their own food, And that's a lifestyle consumers never knew. The atoms that build everything is something you can't excuse. It called decomposer or double helix. Pick who breaks down organic dead material or shape of DNA. Tell me what you're doing. Everybody gonna respect the scavenger, but the decaying biomass in front of the one lives forever. The decaying biomass in front of the one forever. Keystone species been hustling all day, this away, that away, by keeping the environment in check. It's the same. Biotic trees is the perfect place for shade. And biotic factors means living. Abiotic factors might just be non-living. That's just how factors get real. Abiotic factors might say the temperature, wind, and speed. That's just how factors get real. Abiotic factors, this might make the environment different. That's just how factors get real. Abiotic factors and biotic factors make a home. That's how factors get real. Dreams of living life like scientists do. Cells reproduce because we lose them constantly. 23 pairs of chromosomes in humans. 26 chromosomes thinking in total. We got a full set of 23 from mom and 23 with dad, Somatic cells are diploid, Sex cells known as gametes are haploid. Cells is the basic unit of all life, Alleles are alternative form of gene. Never be the same, won't be the same. Reproduction can't be without a haploid cell, can't be with that. But females have XX chromosomes and males XY chromosomes. Genes are a basic unit, heredity. Passing of traits from parent to kids, heredity, Open DNA duplicates before cell division, To have the same DNA in the two daughter cells as the parent cell. And the zygote is a fertilized egg cell. Equal food web, food chain. Who eats who? One is more intricate and one is direct. Tell me what you doing. Everybody gonna respect the fossils, but the groundwater lives underground forever. Groundwater forever. Fossils are the sea traces of previous organisms. This away, that away. Carnivores only meat just to say. Biotic trees is the perfect place for shade. That's just how factors get real. Crossing over is important for genetic variation. That's just how factors get real. Crossing over is when DNA gets exchanged between chromosomes. That's just how factors get real. Carriers don't show traits but still can pass them on. And that's just how factors get real. Chromosomes are core DNA in the nucleus. That's how factors get real.